I go say another better good morning to my people waiting out there this morning, because just as you yourself go say, I say, now really sweet better morning we get to do with the blessing of God this morning. I need to follow us waka. But this morning, sharply, my own name na Papa Jojo, because I don't go one waste on the time. From any angle and any corner when I do all around the world and nobody where we did this morning, I just want to let you know, say, waiting the sunshine this morning, waiting with the sunshine on top Wazobia TV for this morning. Now just the upper body stretch conditioner program. Paraventure to those where they feel, say, when I wake up in the morning and I come down from my bed, and they feel some stiffness around my neck, then I'll say congratulations to you. Just try to meet up, follow the demand, and continue with us. And I will let you know fully well at this morning, say, I get guests when you jam you. Wait, they follow us straight. Already you go see, say, either day to the wagon of fitness movement this morning. So either they catch already the fitness spirit. So it is from anywhere where they just do it, they follow us go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Then you change over to the other side. You go follow your count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, then 1. Now, my people wait there, they wait just to watch us, where they follow us go, as even as we they present this one, given now. On top Wazobia TV this morning. I just want to let you know that this one, what they do this morning, not just the conditional training program, where go help your sternocleidomastoid and your chin. So that anytime you even sleep to forget your neck, you don't go feel any pain. But the more you they try to follow up the conditional program with this one, then you will feel, say, each time when you even sleep to forget your neck, you don't go feel pain. Because already you could don't condition where to go make them bring out pain. So just continue more and more. 5, 4, 3, 2, then all are up. 1. Now see your hand. Go there the back side of your thigh. 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, then 1. Put your hand together. To my viewers where they out there where they watch us, just do the way where they go. Then you go turn your hand to the right side with your count. 7, 6, 5. Make sure say your hand not change, your hand not deviate, and your neck not deviate. So just try to make sure say you they follow up the way they go. 8. Now change over. Follow your count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Then you drop your hand for your waistline. You rock side to side. 1, 2. Follow your count. 3. Go like that. 4. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 down. 7. Yes. 6. My viewers where they there where they watch us as we they flow. You will see say as they do, you they feel some temporary pain for your neck or for your chin. Don't let that one disturb you. Don't let that one shake you. But continue. 8. All right, hold. On the other side. Then you rock up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you continue to the rock. Back to the opposite side. 4, 3, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8. Now see your hand. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Cross. Yes, before me, I'm going to pack my load. They come up from inside studio. I really want to appreciate you on our way a day out there. Until next time, remember, so Igbo man statement to say, no pain, no gain. At the same time, practice make perfect. So I'll just give you as an assignment. As we go to come out, they pack our old load, they tell us, say bye-bye. Make it work out on the other side. 4, 3, 2.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.